What is your peace of mind worth? A lot when you consider accidents can happen at any time, but you can sleep a little easier when you invest in the spill protection innovators at DENIOS. If you store volatile, flammable, caustic, or otherwise hazardous liquids, a spill can be financially devastating or even deadly. A floating fire can spread quickly, and an uncontrollable release of sprinkler water mixed with even small amounts of certain chemicals can present enormous cost in recovery, reclamation, and penalties. With DENIOS Pop-Up Spill Barrier inside your facility, you can have the protection you need with no power required in a completely self-contained and self-closing barrier that could save property and even lives. The heavy-duty pop-up barrier can resist 6.5 tons of weight. The barrier is constructed with a built-in sump that sits below ground level and houses the barrier during normal operations. With no berms or ramps, normal foot or vehicle traffic is completely unencumbered. Piers mounted on either side of the opening allow for a barrier as wide as 20 feet and a retention height of up to 24 inches tall. A chemical-resistant gasket runs the entire length of the sump from pier to pier, providing a liquid-tight seal. When a flow of liquid reaches the barrier, it's collected into the sump that houses the barrier wall. As the volume of liquid increases, it displaces the wall from its horizontal position. The built-in mechanisms then bring the barrier to its full upright position, containing or holding back the impending liquid, keeping it from escaping. The base construction is stainless steel, providing high chemical resistance and long-lasting durability. The sump base, requiring a 7-inch deep pit into the floor, barrier, and piers are all built as a single unit for longevity and simple installation. With no external power assistance whatsoever, the completely self-contained DENIOS Pop-Up Barrier senses the flow of liquid and closes completely on its own. Protection automatically. No power, no people, no external sensors. Find the DENIOS Pop-Up Spill Barrier that's right for your facility. Available in North America, denios-us.com and denios.ca.